I'm Justin Mortimer, NXP's marketing manager for our microcontroller business. We're here at Embedded World where we're launching the LPC 5500. It's our first Cortex-M33 MCU running at 100 megahertz, a huge amount of integration leveraging our 40 nanometer technology. It has a wide range of integration, but what's interesting at our demonstration is the combination of our 5500 with some really exciting technology from our secure element, DESFire Lite, and NFC team. So we have a three-step authentication with the DESFire Lite card and the SEO50, and we're using the NFC front end to be the pipe and the LPC 5500 really to bring the whole application together. So we have a secure access control system here that either grants or denies access to the system depending on the symmetric key pairs and the three-step authentication. So it's really exciting to be able to bring together not just the launching of the 5500, but the three new products across our company. So thanks for the time, and let's bring these new products to market. Thank you.